Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about typecasting, converting. One of typecasting technique is one of the technique is converting. So converting is using converting we can convert any type to any data type. To implement converting, we have to use a predefined class called convert. So that is convert is one of the predefined class. This class is a predefined class which is a part of system based class library. That means system based class library is the library is available in C#.NET by default. Once this library is available, we can see the convert class. Within the convert class, Microsoft has defined all the data type conversion methods. So once the convert class is available, within this convert class we can find list of the predefined methods for conversion from one type to any data type. So here I will show the example in programmatically we can understand more on that. So already I have made the group of the statements already. See, first line is enter the student ID. So after enter the student's ID, read that value and converting into ulong data type using the convert class. In the convert class, to uint32, this is the one method to convert into ulong data type. Another input is the student name. Once the user will enter the student name, that name is reading and assign into string data type. And the third input is m1 marks. The marks is reading and converting into float data type. Here we can see here convert dot to single. So like this, these are the predefined methods available in convert class. This class is derived from system base class library. If you see here, if I commented this system base class library, immediately we can see list of the errors is available. Even console and convert class and these all data types is not available without using base class library. Definitely base class library is mandatory to execute the program. So this is the about the converting technique in typecasting. So even though if I type the convert class, I enter the dot, you can see here in the bottom list of the all predefined methods to converting into one data type to other data type. So I guess you are all understand the basic concept, basic use of typecasting using converting technique. So whenever we are working in the project in the program, as per our requirement, uh, as per our the requirement, as per our need, we have to choose the convert class to convert one data type to another data type. And you see again the definition and understanding the description is using converting we can convert any type to any data type. To implement converting, we have to use a predefined class called convert. As I shown in the program, convert is the predefined class. This convert class is a predefined class which is a part of system based class library. So convert class is part of the system based class library. Within the convert class, Microsoft has defined all the data type conversion methods. These methods are predefined methods available according to our requirement. What we need to do, we know what data type to what data type we need to convert. So according to that scenario, we should use properly convert class. Thanks everyone. Thanks for your time to watch this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share to others. And if you want to give any comments, please give comments under the video. Then I will go through that comments and I will improve, I will learn, I will give reply to your comments. Thank you.